Martha Koome, I want to sound you out. The smallest boy in the village is aware that you are leading an outfit of bandits. You are in charge of a den of the most corrupt of judicial officers. It is not a secret anymore. You have rotten apples in the judiciary. Martha Koome, the only way you can redeem yourself, the only way you can redeem your name, the only way you can redeem judiciary is to make sure you do radical surgery, you effect the radical surgery in that judiciary, because right now, we look at it with a lot of disdain. We look at the judiciary. We view the judiciary with a lot of pragmatism. We view the judiciary so negatively. Every one of us is so apathetic when we think matters judiciary, because it is no longer a judiciary, it is a judipesa. Mannerings. Your outfit, Martha Koome, is mortgaging justice like any other commodity in the commodity market. They are mortgaging justice, just like we are mortgaging cabbages in our local markets. We are mortgaging pumpkins in our local market. That is how your outfit is mortgaging justice.